See, she start to eat by herself. See, grab. Sometimes we will let her to do that by herself. Sometimes we cut the grass. Okay, now just let her eat by nature.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So the pool. Ah. Wow.
Oh yes. And what is this exactly?
Um, you mean that grass?
Like a sugar plant?
No. It's a little bit more vitamin. I heard in English you say napier, the one of the grass,
Okay.
one like a more vitamin to the elephants.
Yeah.
So she can
breaking
eat by
the-
by herself. She quite strong. She have 4 teeth inside.
4?
Only 4.
That's our name.
And then you see over there the keeper just cut. You see,
Wow.
the grass carry something. And then so it's good. Excuse me. You just walk up and carry the grass or upstairs.
Go and carry the grass for him?
And then bring to her.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's do that.
לעזור לו?
You see that one? There's one. She
Yes.
also like a toothpaste. The toothpaste?
Tooth?
Like the teeth.
Clean?
Clean.
Okay.
Oh, sir, you go this side. You go wrong.
Wow, it's amazing.
So you can do exercise also.
It's all the way.
Yeah. Okay, you just take next one. Wow, Camus still eating. Wow.
Bye, Bim. Mommy?
Huh?
מה שלומך?
Wow. Very good. You can work here. And then, okay, you say, come on.
Come on.
Come on, Mape. Say, you just say that. And then you make, come on, Mape.
Come on, Mape.
Mape, come on. Yes, you say, come on, Mape.
Come on, Mape.
Ah.
Come on, Mape.
And then you should not put on the grass. No, not on the grass, not the pool.
Okay.
You should put somewhere. Yeah,
Be careful.
maybe here. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, sorry.
So let's just put down.
You put it here?
Yes. And okay, let Kamun eat. No, just let her eat. Okay.
Bon appetit.
Yes. Wow.